Now this is kind of cool. It's just for fun, but it's amazing how a strong neodymium magnet falling through a piece of non-ferrous metal will act like it's going in slow motion. If you take a neo like this, it's an N52 cylindrical shape, disc kind of shape, and I've attached a couple of small cylinder magnets on the end as sort of a ballast to guide it straight down the pipe. Here we've got about a 30-inch piece of copper pipe, but the interesting thing is, from this aspect, looking down the pipe and dropping it, it doesn't touch the pipe. And it took quite a while. It takes about, I think, 4 seconds to make the trip down 30 inches. Let's try it one more time. And watch this. If I drop it in the middle, it won't touch the side of the pipe at all. And it didn't. Cool.